Hello students, welcome to TutorCabin and welcome back to our chapter real numbers. Okay, so in previous videos we have solved exercise number 1.3 and we have also seen which concepts we need to understand to solve exercise 1.3. Now here we are going to solve exercise 1.4. Similar to that, to solve exercise 1.4, what kind of knowledge or what kind of information we need is, see here, we know this, right? See, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Their decimal fraction, it can be a terminating or non-terminating and repeating. We have seen these rational numbers in detail, right, in previous videos. So here just understand what is terminating. 1.2, 1.3, 2.6, it is terminating. That is, it is not continuing after the point, right? So after the decimal point. So in case of non-terminating and repeating, it is continuing, right? 7.22222 and so on. Like for here, 4.321, 321, 321, 321. Group of numbers are repeating over here. So, rational numbers have decimal fractions like terminating or non-terminating and repeating. Clear? Now see here students, one more thing we need to understand, that is theorem number 1.7. It says that for any number x is equal to p by q, for prime factors, see, for any number x is equal to p by q, we know that it is a rational number, x is a rational number, right? So it can be expressed as ratio p by q. Now let's go with the prime factors of the denominator. If prime factors of denominator are of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power n, the decimal expansion of x will be terminating. Okay, just remember this rule. What is the rule? If the prime factorization of the denominator is of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, then decimal fraction of x will be terminating. And if it is not of the form 2n 5n, then it is non-terminating and repeating. Clear? Simple rule. Not of the form, then non-terminating and repeating. Not, right? Just remember it like this. If it is of the form 2n 5n, then it is terminating. If it is not in the form of 2n 5n, then non-terminating and repeating. Clear? So, we will meet in our detailed video exercise 1.4. Bye-bye.